Buenos dias, guys, from Puerto Vallarta. Today it is Sunday morning. I've done other things. So what I'll do today, I do my morning walk. I'm thinking of spending a beach day. I'm off my way now to Conchas Chinas. Honestly, today is the last sunny day for the rest of the week. The weather forecast is not good, and towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's promising thundery showers, thunderstorms. So to be honest, it's a bit grey out there today. The sun is poking in out, but from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock onwards, it is supposed to be clear sky. I can't see it at the moment because it is very grey. But what I am at the moment is Kuala River by the bridge, and a few people have asked about how the oysters still going. Well, it's not in the usual place under the bridge because it's flooded there, but there is somebody doing oysters over there. I don't know if they're the same people, plus this guy at the table here. Nobody seems to be buying anything, but there is oysters here if you want them. I want to do now, take a walk across here. It might even start to rain, it starts to get very dark. But I'll take a walk down to the pier and catch up with you later. Okay guys, I've just checked the date, it's Sunday the 11th of February. I should do it before going on calendar really, but I never remember the dates. But 3 days before Valentine's, so I've got 3 days or 2 days to hunt someone down and go out for the dates, Valentine's Day. I was here last year and I actually did spend an evening with someone. Yeah, the place I went to, I won't name it, but the food wasn't very good. It was over extra price because of Valentine's Day, and to be honest, the food was crap. For what I expect, what standard it was not very good. So I won't make the same mistake this year. But we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. Or something to do with Valentine's Day. What I'm doing, I've had it's been a long week this week. I'm not shopping, been cooking. I haven't been out much. Been out once, maybe twice. I don't go to Margarita really, but I was there Monday or Tuesday night and it was quiet, but I always said they're going to price themselves out. The drinks are probably the dearest in the area, and I do sometimes wonder about the quality of the tequila they use in the margaritas. So it's been quiet the whole time we had. Plus, I cannot connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know why. I have 3 Wi-Fi connections for there, but on both occasions I could not connect to the Wi-Fi. In fact, I had to connect to Joe Jack's across the road. So I do want Wi-Fi. It was like this back when I was here in June. I don't know whether I did it properly or whatever, But and it wasn't busy there. I could not connect to Wi-Fi, so I stopped going there for a while. But I have found a bar, which I have passed many times, called All Access Sports Bar. I was there one afternoon, Sunday, Thursday. I was there Thursday, and cheap drinks, Coronas were only 40 pesos. Lovely staff there. I do sort of know the girl that works there. She did used to work in Andalays this time last year, so I do sort of know her. But yeah, I recommend All Access Sports Bar. They do food there. I didn't have food because I had other things planned, but I saw the food coming out. Very good. If it tastes as good as it looks, not an issue, and good prices. I did have a look at the menu, and more importantly, Wi-Fi access, fast Wi-Fi access. I went to Andalays. I did have a bit of a run-in one place, Andalays. Some guy straight off the plane, too many beers, going on holiday. I could see from I wanted he was a bit of a bully, and for some reason he wanted to start something. It didn't go too well for him. We'll just leave it at that. But, and he did actually get thrown out, and I was allowed to stay. But, yeah, if you can't hold your beers, guys, pick what you want. No, gracias, amigo. No, gracias. You know, it's hold your beers better. You know, he was actually bragging that he was on 7 Coronas. Like, us back in the UK, that's about 3.5 pints. That's the first 20 minutes. So I could see him through with trouble for a lot of the night. Bit of a bully guy, big fella, but he won't be doing it again. But by and large, it's been a good week. The weather's not been the best. It's off and on. I've met some of you guys, some of you subscribers, bumped into you in Malacon, seeing you in Andalays. It's good to see you. And anybody that's here, you know, come give us a shout. I don't bite all the time. But, right, I need to go over there, conscious use. I am supposed to maybe meeting a friend there. I'll message her now to see what she's up to. So I'll catch you later on a bit. Right guys, I'm on the pier, and for this Sunday it's very busy. It's, how do I put it, Mexican family day out. I've got the music blasting, all having fun. But, if you are arriving this week, anyway, it is very busy. The times I've been out, like I went to Andalays, Monsoon, Puerto Vallarta, they were ram busy, standing room only. So it's very busy. The beach is very busy today as well. Okay amigos, there's a couple of places I want to point out here now. We just left from the pier, the pier's there. This one here, Patagonia, Argentina food. It's, I've just been, I came here last week for food. I had a choripan. It was very good. Prices are probably on par with what they had in the UK. It's, but then also you might have seen it in the markets, in the gardens place over there, the Saturday farmers markets. They're there every week. So I recommend there to go, get some food just up from here. And this one over here, I don't know if I mentioned this one before, but if you're into seafood, first of all, ice creams. You've got to get ice creams in there, really good. But this one here, what's it called? Bar 103. Bar 103. The ceviche from there is amazing. And very, very affordable. So you're just a few feet are from the beach itself. I would definitely put that on your list of places to try. I've been there twice now. They're not open in the evening, so they're only open in the morning till late afternoon, about 5:30, 6ish. But gotta be done. You have to go there. Really, really good. Right, we're going to come into town now, and no, I want to do it. Need a Wi-Fi connection. Okay. Hey guys, I've arrived at the beach. I think this one's called Playa and Pass, maybe. It's the furthest one from Las Veritas. And like I say, it's quiet here compared to last time I was here, which is good. But the water is very rough. There's no way I'm putting my size 10s in there today. So I'm going to sit down here, have something to eat. I brought my headphones with me, so I might listen to an audiobook like that. Over across there. I do believe it's, what's it called? Super Bowl day today, that's the thing. Some American football thing. Somebody has asked me do I want to go to Captain Don's and watch the Super Bowl. And no offence guys, I would rather chew broken glass and drink vinegar afterwards. It's not my kind of thing. It was popular a few years ago in the UK, and I mean a few years ago. It was there for about 2 years, it was getting televised there, but it soon died off as it was just too many breaks and so boring. And there was a guy at the time who was called The Fridge. He was the main man, The Fridge, running around, barging everybody over. Oh, exciting. So I won't be watching that. So for the rest of you Americans or Canadians, you watch the Super Bowl, good luck to your team. Hope your team, is it a final? I'm not sure. But if you hope your team wins and you have a good day. Plenty of cervezas. For me now it's going to be a bit of relaxation and listen to an audiobook for an hour.